What's up, guys? This is Phil with Miranda Detailing. I'm going to give you guys a 48-hour update on the trim showdown. Okay guys, now it's been about 2 days and we did have a little bit of rain. It wasn't a lot of rain like I thought it was going to be, but we did have some rain, so it definitely got the trim wet about 12 hours after it was applied. So let's take a look at it and see what it looks like now, and then I'll actually just shoot it with water here and see how it reacts to the water. So here's the trim after 2 days. So let's go through what we used. This was lithium trim shine. This was AM trim. This was CarPro Pearl. And that was the Meguiar's liquid hybrid ceramic liquid wax. Obviously, I didn't expect that to really do much. It looked okay, but it's really faded. It needs to be restored with a proper product. But it did make it look better when it was first applied. But it quickly fades, so that's not the appropriate product to use, obviously. But I wanted to try it, see what it would do. So now let's look at the CarPro Pearl. Now, I don't know what happened here. It may have run into this. That's kind of like what it looked like. I did wipe off as much as I could, but of course you're still going to have some that hasn't absorbed on the top surface here. So I think it actually ran into this area here. So here we have the AM trim. It looks good, but it may have needed an additional coat and maybe better curing time. So, you know, many of these products, they vary. Some don't need a long curing time, some do. But let's look at the lithium trim serum. That looks really good. So that held up really well. And you can see the line here. So pretty big difference there. But these two here, so the CarPro and the lithium trim serum, two different types of applications, two different products. This one is more of a thick gel, while this is more of a water-based dressing kind of feel to it. I have to say, this is looking really, really good still. The trim serum looks good too, but man, the CarPro Pearl looks excellent. And the trim serum does look really good too. Some of these products I think just may need 2 coats. So let's just get it wet and see what happens. So on the ceramic wax side here, you can actually see that it's repelling water just a little bit. Not crazy, but enough. So it is there. The CarPro Pearl, really beads water. You can see a huge difference with CarPro Pearl. So here you can see it beading and sheeting water. And the AM trim, it beads water also. So that actually looks pretty good as far as water repellency goes. And the lithium trim serum, that looks really good too. I'm going to blast the water from this side here. So water beading and water behavior on trim serum, excellent. So you can definitely see AM trim is holding up. It's on there. It just might need another coat to restore it, but lithium trim serum looks awesome. CarPro Pearl also looks awesome. And even the ceramic liquid wax makes it bead. So it might not really restore, but you can see that it did add protection to it. So that's kind of interesting. So I'm going to dry this and let's see what it looks like when it's pretty much dry, just from a wipe down. So just from the initial drying, I'm not going to go into blow drying it or anything like that, but overall the trim looks really good. And even the liquid wax one here, it still acts as a water repellent, which is interesting. So we'll continue to test this throughout the weeks because we will be using this for mobile jobs this week, and we'll see how it holds up. All right, guys, so that's it for just that quick little video. I wanted to give you a 2-day update, a 48-hour update on the trim to see what it would look like, you know, a day or two after. So after using any of these products on your customers' vehicles, that's how they're going to react. Pretty interesting. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time these videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And you may notice the little join button next to the subscribe button. That's for memberships. So YouTube opened up memberships on our channel. And if you want to see some behind the scenes or extras or things like that, you can join and see that stuff. It's not a big deal. If you don't, you're not missing anything. It's like buying a limited edition DVD with extras and commentary. You're not really missing much, but if you like that type of stuff, then consider joining. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.